case, Tish James starting to put liens on any and all assets that they can find.
He can't discharge in bankruptcy fraud either. So if you have debt that's obtained through a fraud judgment, which is why that fraud finding by Justice Engoron is so critical here, because it permeates all of the counts that Letitia James was pursuing against Trump and the other defendants. And I want to underscore that as well. We talk about Donald Trump, obviously. Sure. He is the larger-than-life presence in terms of the conversations we're having. But remember, it's also Eric Trump, Don Trump Jr., right? It's the other, CFOs, the other people that were high-level business officers. It's the entities themselves. So it's not just the people, it's the businesses. And what do the businesses hold? You have a holding company that has an asset that is Mar-a-Lago. You have these LLCs, these limited liability companies that have as assets, as special purpose entities that were created to hold certain things. They have real property. So just because you have them in the name of a business doesn't mean that they don't go away. And furthermore, we have this thing called domestication. So this is a New York-based judgment. We have property, if you're Donald Trump, in other states. That New York judgment can be domesticated in a state like Florida for Mar-a-Lago, in a state like New Jersey for Trump Bedminster. It's not like it's only limited within the four corners of the confines of New York. So Letitia James, she'll hunt this stuff down. And that is why you're seeing him implode. That's why you're seeing him freaking out, because she has the means, the manner, and the wherewithal, and frankly, the gumption to go after him.
Katie, I want to put a pin in the civil fraud trial and make sure I ask you about what's happening in Fulton County. You had Judge McAfee granting what's called a certificate